Want to download Microsoft Power Automate and start automating repetitive tasks on your computer? Microsoft Power Automate for desktop lets you build workflows that save time and improve productivity. In this guide, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. First, launch your preferred web browser and make sure you're connected to the internet. A stable connection helps ensure the download completes without interruptions. Next, go to the official Microsoft Power Automate website. Downloading directly from Microsoft helps ensure you receive the latest version that's safe and up to date. Look for Power Automate for desktop and choose the download option. This version is designed for creating desktop automation flows on Windows. Click Download and wait while your browser saves the installer file. The download time depends on your internet speed, but it usually finishes within a few moments. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder or use your browser's download list to locate the installer. You're now ready to begin the installation whenever you want. Finally, confirm that the installer downloaded successfully and is ready to run. If needed, download the file again from Microsoft's official website to ensure you have the latest version. And that's how to download Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. Once the installer is ready, you can move on to installing the application and start creating powerful desktop automation workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.